delayed.
A delegation of traditional heads from Block 1 met Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, urging the state government to ensure retransfer of 36 villages to Jaintia Hills. Speaking to reporters, General Secretary of the Labang Nangpenlut Pangam Raliang Council, Marcus M. Thayang, said that the 36 Brar villages under Block 1 were forcibly made to be part of Karbi Anglong, Mikir and North Kachar Hills in 1951. The villages were actually part and parcel of Jaintia Hills. They requested the Deputy Chief Minister to ensure that all these villages are brought back to Meghalaya during the second phase of border settlement between Meghalaya and Assam. Meanwhile, Tinsong said that the delegation had submitted a memorandum requesting the government to ensure 36 Panar villages under Block 1 are retransferred to Meghalaya.
Before they start the phase 2 survey for the settlement of the interstate boundary, according to the talk with the Deputy Chief Minister, so he strongly believes that the Command of Assam also will release all the Panar villages to be back to Jaintia Hill district.
I already explained to them, okay, you wait till the constitution of the regional committee, and by then meeting will be called to all the stakeholders, along with all the details, the documentation, this, that, whatever. So we will discuss that.